Hello guys, are you looking for a way to actually manage your account into massive profit? Are you looking for a strategy to actually grow your small equity account? Have you been lost in forex trading? Have you tried to grow your account into massive profit, but at the end of the day, you keep on losing your equity? Well, fear not, because this particular trading YouTube blogging is for you. Now, what you have to do is follow, like, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button so that you can be getting uh my information anytime I post. And don't forget to like and comment what you actually think about this particular video. Now, I will show you how I turn $28 into 120 $30 in just one trade. Right, this is actually something everybody want to learn. uh so let me show you guys how I do this. Now, what I did here is I look for a reversal after this particular long sell in this particular trade. Now, this is actually a reversal. This long line here is a reversal. Then I decided to take the market into my hands. Then when I took this market after this reversal here, see that the market started selling. I decided to wait a little bit for the market to show me that it's actually going to sell massively, right? Before I go ahead and place my uh my selling market strategy. All right. Now, when I place my selling strategy, I waited for this market to sell a bit higher. I waited for this market to sell a bit lower, sorry, to this particular point. Then I have to place another another uh this thing here, another position here. So when I place another position, this market sells over to this particular point, and I waited for this market to reverse. I saw this particular market is a reversal point, but at the same time, the sellers was I was able to pull this market over down to this particular point. So this market is actually still going to sell a bit, maybe stop or little bit here, or still going to sell massively. All right. So what I did is I have to wait for this market to sell from here to here. All right. If this market should sell from here to here, this market is going to give me massive profit in making. Now, you want to know more about how we make this happen, or I'll be dropping my links on my comment section or on my description. So punch into my links and come to my DM for an account management. For those of you guys that have lost so much in your account or your forex trading or trading, you've lost so much, all your salary, everything you got, you're trying to make massive profit, but you couldn't. You can see the market is actually still going down right now. You can see. So you've lost so much, purchase my DM for an account management, and I'm going to grow your account into massive profit, and we are going to make massive income together. So don't forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share to as many as you can. Where you will see my links is on my comment sections or on my description. Now, there will be two links, if not one. Now, one is the one that can actually lead you to my direct message, which is one particular link. Now, the other is the one that is going to be leading you into our free Telegram channel. There we share free signals and other trainings that you need to know about forex trading. You'll be learning a little bit about forex trading, and we are going to be sharing free good signals every blessed day for you to participate in. And don't forget to like, comment to this particular trade, and share this video to as many as you can. See you guys in my YouTube Telegram channel or in my direct message box. Right, I will be replying everybody, and I will be managing every damn account you bring to me. But please, I see every account doesn't mean you will come to my DM with $50 or $30, $20. Please, if you don't come below if you come below $100, then you should wait till we offer the $100 account management, or $90 or below $100 account management. Because if you are come from $100 upwards, then I can be able to manage your account into massive profit with no risks. All right. So don't forget to actually participate full time in this particular trading history. All right, I'll be showing you guys more and more. That's why I said subscribe to my YouTube channel and wait for all my all my videos. And if you don't have anything to do, then you should go back to my previous videos and watch. You will learn more and more. I've teach a lot of things and I've grown many accounts. I've traded company accounts, and with my 7 years experience in forex trading, you have nothing to fear in this particular market. I'm going to be growing everything you need to actually participate in this market. So punch into my DM right now. We'll be making massive profits and we'll be making it so much good for you. So don't forget, like, comment, share this video to as many as you can, and share this video to some of your friends that is actually a forex trader, but they keep on losing in forex trading. Now this video is for you guys, so share it. As a beginner, this particular video, you need to actually follow up this particular YouTube channel. So have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to as many as you can. Watch me make massive money, and if it could be yours, then watch yourself enjoy massive money without any risks, without even participating in, without even stressing yourself, or any thumbs up risks. Okay, have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video.